at this. Look at this. That is nice.
I'm just ballin', flossing, rolling through my neighborhood, ballin', flossing, rolling through my neighborhood, ballin', flossing, rolling through my neighborhood.
What's the other joint? What was the other joint we're looking at?
Okay, my will presidential, 10 presidential, money presidential, bitches presidential, everything black, so you know I'm presidential.
He gonna hook up in the front center, and he gonna pull at an angle that way.
Riding through the hood with my top down, she know I like it better when the top down. Niggas hating on me cause I'm hot now, no surprise, I know why I'm getting money, yeah. It's a lovely day, so I'ma ride the city. Cup full of something to slow down my senses. These designer shoes cost a nice penny. That's $750. We talk Pacifics, that roll dough compliment.
What's up, YouTube? So I ordered my paddle extensions for the Jaguar, and they came in. So we're gonna take a look and see what they look like, cause this is the ones I ordered off Amazon. These are the same ones that I found. Let me set this little tripod thing up. These are the same ones I found on AliExpress. What a freaking packing slip. It's by ijdmtoy.com/DIY. That's the DIY guide for to put these on. So here we go. Ooh, it already feels like some weight right there. I'll tell you one thing, man. These right here, these are not no little cheap, little plastic looking paddles. Solid, it's aluminum. Hey, they beautiful too. And this got a curve on the base of this. It looks flat on the inside of here. This is where the OEM paddle sits in, but this is a slight curve, so it molds perfectly to that paddle whenever you put it on. So then you got the hardware, cause the hardware, these screws actually, they go on the side right here like little set screws and help lock it in and grab the pedal. You got 1, 2, 3, 4 on each one. You put those set screws in and you tighten them up with the little Allen wrench, and it should be on there. And this is the double-sided adhesive. It's 2 pieces that should sit inside of here to stick it to the paddle to get that initial adhesion going, and then you screw it in to tighten those screws up. I'm gonna go ahead and pull both of them out. Man, that's a nice set right there. I'm gonna tell you right now, this is some quality stuff. I pay what, 20, 25, 26 bucks shipped. I'm gonna put the link in the description. Man, I ain't gonna lie, I'm gonna start getting all these products. I'm gonna start getting some promotional products or something sent to me. If I'm gonna start putting people work out there, you know. Give me something for this. That's some nice stuff though, I ain't gonna lie. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this set up. I'm gonna let y'all watch all of this. I'm just gonna basically pull this out, put the set screws in, and get it all ready to go. And then we'll go ahead and move to the car, and I'll go ahead and install them in the car, and then from then we'll go ahead and see how it looks. Okay, so let me go ahead and get a little test fit on. I don't know why I got that thing sitting in there, but it's in there. Oh, look at that. Oh man. Oh, that looks good. Ooh, that looks good. Hold on. Let me go ahead and finish installing this thing on, man. So y'all can see the final product, man. Cause I can't wait. I ain't about to be holding this camera. Go ahead. So I went ahead and set the back, and then stuck the adhesive to the back. Now I'm pulling the top layer off. One thing about it, you got to make sure these screws are like almost all the way out so they don't go in, because this thing fits like exactly. So if these things are poking out a little bit, it's not gonna go ahead and fit in there. So make sure they're all the way out, and then give it a nice little press, and be careful not to break off your paddle when you're trying to set that adhesive. Make sure you get the adhesive pressed on before you start trying to push your set screws in. And don't try to torque these things down. You want them to get snug, because the adhesive gonna hold it on. Get that junk on right there. Bada boom, bada bam. Then tighten them all up. You can get 3 of them pretty good. That last corner screw, you gotta feel for that. Anyway, let me go ahead and put this last one on and show y'all. Look at that. Look at that, man. Oh, let me turn it down. Oh, man. That's nasty, bro. That's nasty. That is nasty. Hey. Like I say, man, look, appreciate y'all for watching. Like, share, subscribe to the channel, man. And go look, just watch all the other videos, all the other content. I got more Lexus videos coming soon. My Lexus in the shop, in my shop right now. I'm doing some stuff to it. But again, man, look, appreciate y'all. Look at this, look at this. That is nice, man. Oh, they nice and sleek. Look at that. Yeah, man, I ain't gonna lie. These little simple mods like this are priceless, man. I love this. I love this, and I love my little button, man.